books can really help you grow your real estate business in 2022. I'm going to tell you, and they may not be ones that anyone else is telling you. My name is Alisia Krastel, and on this channel, we grow your real estate business, help you make more money so you can spend more time with the people you love. If that sounds like something you want to do, hit the subscribe button and we'll get started. The books I'm sharing with you today have been crucial in me not only building my business, but also simplifying it and making it sustainable. The principles in these books that aren't really your traditional real estate books have helped me grow a 100% real estate referral business and kept my mindset tight so I can still have plenty of time with the people I love, which is everything this channel is about. By the end of this video, you'll see how each can help you and which one you should start with. Book one is Superfans from Pat Flynn, who's also a podcaster, an entrepreneur, and a genuinely amazing human. His book outlines how he has grown his business without using the typical funnel, where it takes a lot of people and then squeezes them down, puts them through a funnel, and then you get one client at the end. He's done what I've done, which is flip it, and where you focus on some of your advocates and then you grow it that way by watering, planting seeds, and nurturing your sphere and the people you just know, like, and are aware of you. That doesn't happen by chance. There are systems to it, and he breaks down exactly how you can do that for yourself. He also shares how each individual person who you know and supports your business in any way can grow and have a compounding effect. There are specific examples and stories of how he's done this, and I'm also going to include a link below about a video that I did where you can make your entire marketing plan around this. It's something in real estate that I call the pinwheel effect. You can check him out and see how he's done this and had this same plan over and over again in the multiple businesses that he's made a success. If you do not like cold calling or expireds or any kind of cold lead generation, this is definitely your book. He is a relationship-based person. Book number two is one that I've probably read or listened to an audio about 30 times, and it's Essentialism by Greg McKeown. I don't really know how to say his last. It is a very popular book in general, but a lot of real estate agents aren't focused on this and aren't aware of how powerful this book can be in their business. He shares how when you focus on your most important task or your biggest and highest ability, your purpose in life, how much better results you can get when you're spread thin. We all know this, right? We know intellectually that that's the case, but he really breaks down what's behind that and how to focus on your 20%, which is what gets you 80% of your results. If you've ever heard of the Pareto principle, the 80-20 rule, where most of what you do does not get you the majority of your results, the tiny portion of what you do gets you the profound amount of results. In that book, it really goes deep in how to reprogram your thinking and how to really understand that doing that 20% is what you really need to do, how to protect yourself with your time, and how to say no gracefully. He actually shows you how to say no while giving that person more perceived value in yourself. So they walk away with not getting their feelings hurt that you said no and understanding how valuable your time is. If you're a person that likes to say yes to things and you have difficulty saying no, this is an amazing book. But outside that, it helps you identify what your main role is in real estate, what really gets you specifically results, because it is a little different for everyone. Helps you identify that and then how to double down on that so you can knock it out of the park. Yeah, the author also takes you on this journey of some things that he's been through, which are really eye-opening and make you think like, yes, this is what I need in my life. Like, of course, this is what's me not doing this is preventing me from getting to the next level. And then how to do it. Are there any books that you love? Make sure you put them in the comments below. I love to check out new books and always open. The third book is HOOKPOINT. You'll see it. It's dark blue with a little umbrella. It's very easy to identify. If you have any interest in marketing yourself online or how to brand yourself and or how to get people to think of you when you're not around, this is the book. It goes into some major brands that you'll know like Nike and how they use a hook point to get business. One thing that really is amazing about this book is that it really breaks down the difference between having a brand, which we all have. You have a brand even if you haven't identified it, because people know when they talk to you and you leave, you give them a feeling. That is a brand for sure. That you can develop that brand, but you also have shticks or hook points into your business that you can be known for, but it's not necessarily your brand. It will be in line with your brand. It will always represent who you are, but it's not like the Nike swoosh. You know how Nike has stories and they bring in athletes and they have sponsors which get you interested and you love their story. That's a hook point, although the swoosh is their brand. So it shows you in history how that's worked and how it can work for you. So you can have something like a crab as your brand, but you can also be known as a mom. You could also be known for Orange or Mother Hustler, right? That's not my brand in real estate, but people can know me as that. That's a hook point. It really breaks down how you can do that for yourself and how impactful it can be. And you don't have to spend money to do this. If you master hook point and how to get people interested, like a headline in a newspaper, your content will be so much better. You will get so much of a bigger response. If that's all you did was read that book and did a better job with your hook points, getting people interested, there's no way you couldn't get more business and better business. Book number 4 is Tax-Free Wealth by Tom Wheelwright. He's the guy that helped the Rich Dad Poor Dad with his books and as an advisor. It will literally shift your mindset about taxes. If you have any kind of, I don't know what to do, or I'm nervous to take certain deductions, or I'm not maximizing tax, this book breaks down in the most simple form. This is what happens. This is how you can think about taxes to keep more money in your pocket. It gives exact strategies. It tells you how to reach out and like what questions you should be asking. Gives you the awareness so you can talk to a CPA and maximize your deductions without any fear. It actually, I feel like, has empowered me with my taxes and empowered me with my income to understand what the government actually wants you to do as a business owner. If you read that book, you're keeping more money in your pocket. If you've gotten value out of this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so I can see you next week and help you grow your real estate business.